What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I am doing fantastic. If I can figure out how to get on my own bike. Parked next to a fucking trash can. But, look, guys, I voted. Yay! I did my part. Let's get the fuck out of Dodge. Alright. I like our bumper sticker. Alright. Alright, guys. Well, I did my part. Did you do your part? I'm sure by the time you watch this, the elections is already over. So I'm curious to know, are you happy with the results of what happened? You disappointed? You sad? You devastated? You gonna cry? You gonna leave the country? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, guys, did you vote? You happy? You not? And for everybody that's not in America, what did you think about this election? Crazy? Not crazy? Just straight fucked up? What? Let me know. I'm curious to know what the outside world thinks of us. Which Come on, light. What the fuck? So who's your candidate, Hillary or Trump? What's your choice? And if you were an American, who would you choose from? I'm curious to know. Alright, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, still hit that like button for me. I appreciate it. I really would. And of course, we're at the red lights, like always. And we're stopped. And we'll just sit here. Maybe we'll talk for a little longer. I don't know. Believe it or not, the polling station was like dead. I left work early thinking maybe there'd be a line, but no. I literally walked in, turned around to open the door for a lady, got back in line, and then it was my turn. Voted, and then got my sticker, and I hit the road. And here I am now, waiting for this fucking red light to go. These lights are usually not that long here in this small town, but for some reason today, they want to take extra long. Oh well. Alright, guys. Well, as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Of course, this country needs all of those. Alright, guys, well, have a great night. Stevo out.